Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys, how can we increase phone sleep time in our Poco phone. Guys, you want to increase guys your phone sleep time setting in your Poco phone. So guys, how can you increase? So if your phone sleep guys, within minute, just second. So you want to increase this phone sleep time. So guys, how can you increase? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video, guys, first of all, you can subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all, guys, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting is scroll friends, you can see this type of settings. So once you can see there is no any sleep time setting. So now you will have to click on this log screen setting guys. As you can see your sleep time setting is tap here. Once you can increase from here, you want to increase into 2 minutes, you want to increase into 5 minutes. So if you take 5 minutes, so you can see after 5 minutes of inactivity, then guys your phone sleep time will increase, and guys your phone will not sleep in 5 minutes. After 5 minutes guys your phone will sleep automatic. So like that guys, you can increase your phone sleep time. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye guys.